Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play EAFC Mobile offline. To begin, it's important to know that while many features require an internet connection, there are still several ways to enjoy the game without one. We'll cover the specific modes you can access and how to prepare your device to ensure a smooth, uninterrupted gaming experience. Get ready to enjoy your favorite football game anytime, anywhere, even without Wi-Fi. When you're offline, you can still dive into several exciting game modes. The practice arena is perfect for refining your dribbling and shooting against computer-controlled players. You can also immerse yourself in manager mode, guiding your favorite club through seasons and making strategic decisions. Additionally, quick kickoff matches against the artificial intelligence provide instant football action, offering hours of entertainment without needing any network connection. To ensure a seamless offline experience, some preparation is key. First, always make sure your EAFC mobile game is fully updated to the latest version while you have an internet connection. Next, download all essential game data and assets beforehand. This often requires about 2 GB of free storage on your device. Completing these steps ensures that all necessary content is available, preventing any interruptions once you go offline. While offline play offers great flexibility, it does come with a few limitations. Features such as Ultimate Team, head-to-head matches, and live events are exclusively online. Any progress you make in offline modes might not synchronize with your online profile until you reconnect to the internet. For an extended gaming session, consider turning off your device's Wi-Fi and cellular data to conserve battery life, giving you more playtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.